Hey guys, Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I'm showing off a quick improvement in design, and that's adding hyperlinks to assets within our design templates. So for instance, we want to add a hyperlink to this QR code so you can watch the video without having to pull out your phone and scan the video. So we're going to click on the element that you would like to hyperlink, and now from the attributes menu over here, what you're going to do is you're going to change image map to rectangle, and then you're going to grab the desired URL and just go ahead and paste that in like so. And now you can see that if we click on this QR code and hit this little earth icon, hit browser, it's going to pop it up in a new window and you've got your video. So yeah, that's going to greatly enhance the usability of our templates and how to find the videos on how to operate the templates. Thanks for watching.